Good morning, students, and welcome once again in the Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. Students, till now we have studied about in chapter 3D that straight line. क्योंकि अब बच्चों 3D डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्री में यहाँ दो पार्ट्स हैं, आपको स्ट्रेट लाइन के बारे में पढ़ना है और इसके बाद आपको प्लेन के बारे में पढ़ना है. So students, previous video I told up to straight line and complete the topic, first topic in 3 dimensional which is straight line. Straight line के बारे में जितने पॉइंट्स से मैंने उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स कराई और उनको सॉल्व. नाउ टुडे I am going to discuss about plane. Plane. When also called in Hindi as samtal. So students, what is plane? So plane is a surface. Plane is a surface such that if we take any 2 points on it, then the line joining these 2 points is completely on the given surface, then this type of surface is called plane. So students, plane क्या होता है? अगर हम एक ऐसा सरफेस लें, ये मान लीजिए एक सरफेस है, इसके कोई 2 पॉइंट्स ले लें और उस 2 पॉइंट से लाइन ड्रॉ करें और जो भी लाइन आएगी उस लाइन का एवरी पॉइंट इसी प्लेन पर होना चाहिए. So every point of line joining 2 points on the surface, then we call this is a plane. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये प्लेन की कंडीशन होती है. प्लेन इज अ सरफेस, प्लेन की डिफिनेशन है, प्लेन इज अ सरफेस सच दैट if you take any 2 points on it, then the line joining these two points is completely on the given surface. Completely means every point of this line lies on the surface, then the surface is called plane. ये स्टूडेंट्स प्लेन की आपकी एक डेफिनेशन है, सिंपल डेफिनेशन है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, also a plane is first degree. Plane is a equation. A plane is a equation in first degree of x, y, and z. So, what is general form of plane? So, general form of plane is or general equation of plane. General equation of plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to c. This is the general form of plane. यहाँ पर आप देखें x y z में ये फर्स्ट डिग्री में है इक्वेशन. इस तरीके से जो भी कोई भी फॉर्म का इस फॉर्म का जो भी इक्वेशन होती है वो प्लेन को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. तो plane is an equation in first degree of x y z. When general form of plane or general equation of plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to where a, b and c a, b and c are the direction ratios of normal to the plane. जो भी हमारे इस प्लेन पर परपेंडिकुलर होता है या नॉर्मल मींस प्लेन पे परपेंडिकुलर जो भी वेक्टर होता है उसके डायरेक्शन रेशियो जो ये a b और c डी कोई कांस्टेंट है। इस तरीके से हम लोग प्लेन को डिफाइन करते हैं। व्हाट इज प्लेन एंड व्हाट इज द जनरल फॉर्म। हम कैसे पहचानेंगे कि ये प्लेन इस तरह की इक्वेशन होती है x y z में अगर कोई लीनियर इक्वेशन बनना हो तो फिर वो हमारे पास प्लेन को रिप्रेजेंट करता है। Now students, equation of a plane, there are some formulas, very most important formula. With formula you can easily solve the problems related to plane. So you have to remember all the formula related to plane. So first is equation of plane passing through a point x1 comma y1 comma z1 is a x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 plus c z minus z1 is equal to c. कोई इक्वेशन प्लेन की वो अगर एक पॉइंट x1 y1 z1 से पास हो रहा हो उसकी इक्वेशन ये होती है स्टूडेंट्स। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, equation of a plane, vector equation of a plane passing through a point passing through a vector A and parallel to non-parallel vector B and C is R minus vector dot B cross C is equal to 0 or R dot E cross C is A dot E cross C. So this is a vector equation of plane passing through a given point or given vector and parallel to non-parallel vectors vectors। एक पॉइंट से जाने वाले और दो वेक्टर्स के पैरेलल हमको प्लेन की इक्वेशन R dot B cross C इक्वल टू A dot B cross C जिसमें A से पास होना है, इस वेक्टर A से पास होना है, B और C का ये प्लेन की इक्वेशन। स्टूडेंट्स इसी को हम लोग अगर कार्टेशियन फॉर्म की चिंता करें तो कार्टेशियन फॉर्म इसमें स्टूडेंट्स क्या हो जाएगा? कार्टेशियन फॉर्म if equation of plane passing through x1 y1 z1 point and parallel to two vectors vector B is equal to d1i plus d2j plus d3k, that is d1 comma d2 comma d3 and vector C is equal to c1i plus c2j plus c3k is what is equation is x minus x1 y minus So students, this is Cartesian equation of a plane which passes through a given point x1, y1, z1 and also parallel to two points or two vectors, vector b and vector c. Vector b is v1, v2, v3, v1i plus v2j plus v3k. Vector c is c1i plus v2j plus v3k. So students, this is actually the same. This is vector form and this is Cartesian form. ये आपका कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में आंसर आएगा और ये आपका वेक्टर फॉर्म में आंसर आएगा। तो ये फार्मूला स्टूडेंट सिमिलर है, ठीक है। अगर इसका कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में होगा तो फिर पॉइंट से क्लास होगा, टू वेक्टर्स दिए हुए हैं हमारे पास, इस टाइप से आप कर सकते हैं। Now students, next is equation of a plane, vector equation of a plane passing through three points or vectors, vector A or vector B and vector C. That is R dot B cross C plus C cross A plus A cross B is equal to A dot B cross C. So this is the formula, vector equation of a plane passing through three vectors, vector A R dot B cross C plus C cross A plus A cross B is equal to A dot B cross C. तो हमारे पास और n कार्टेशियन फॉर्म और कार्टेशियन फॉर्म, इसी का कार्टेशियन फॉर्म क्या होगा? कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन of a plane passing through three points, x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, x3 y3 z3 is x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1, x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1 y3 minus y1 z3 minus z1. So student, this is the Cartesian equation of a plane passing through 0. This is the Cartesian equation of plane passing through 3 points. So student, actually this and this is same. This is vector form and this is Cartesian. Now students, equation of plane passing through vector A and perpendicular to vector n is r minus a dot n is equal to 0. That is r dot n is equal to a dot passing through vector A and perpendicular to given plane R dot M1 is equal to E1, R dot M2 is equal to E2. So students, if any plane is this form, two planes, equation of a plane passing through vector A perpendicular to given planes this and this, इन दोनों प्लेनों के perpendicular और इससे पास होने वाले प्लेन की इक्वेशन स्टूडेंट्स, that is r minus a dot n1 cross n2, where n1 and n2 is perpendicular, that is normal to the plane, normal to this plane, and this is normal to this plane. तो हमारे पास जो डायरेक्शन रेशियो से बना जो n1 जो वेक्टर हो गया वो क्या है, एक से परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर है, इस प्लेन पर या इस प्लेन पर जो नॉर्मल खींचा गया वो वेक्टर है n1, r dot n1 वेक्टर r dot n2 वेक्टर is equal to 0, that is r dot n1 cross n2 is equal to a dot n1 cross n2. So student, this is the, there are some other formulas I will repeat in my next video. So now I am going to discuss some problems related to these formulas. Now students, now I will take an example. Find the equation of a plane passing through 3, 4, minus 5 and parallel to the vectors 3i plus j minus k and I cap minus 2j cap plus k. So students, एक प्लेन की इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट करनी है, इससे पास हो रहा हो एक वेक्टर से पास हो रहा हो and parallel to these vectors. So students, what is solution? तो यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स जो पॉइंट से पास होता है वो वेक्टर a गिवन कोऑर्डिनेट वेक्टर is equal to 3i plus 4j minus k minus 5 and parallel to the vectors vector b is equal to 3i cap plus j cap minus k cap and vector c is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k. Now we know that equation of plane passing through vector A and parallel to two non-parallel vector. This is non-parallel because यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं पता लग गया सेम नहीं दिखा सकते इनको. Two non-parallel two vectors vector B and vector C is given by r dot B cross C, vector B cross vector C is equal to a dot B cross C. So student, this is the formula of plane passing through a given point vector A and parallel to vector B and vector C. So first we have to find B cross C. So B cross C, what is B cross C? So B cross C students, cross कैसे निकालते हैं? It is I J K and opposite of B 3 1 minus 1 3 1 minus 1 and opposite of C 1 minus 2 1 1 minus 2 1. Now from these students we get I cap. So what is I? This will cancel 1 minus 2 then minus j cap and this will cancel 3 and this plus 1 and minus k cap, so plus k cap, this will minus 6 minus 1. So this is minus I cap minus 4j and minus 7. So this is the B cross C. Now what is A dot B cross C? So here A dot B cross C. What is, so this is the equation number first. So what is A vector is this 3i plus 4j minus 5k dot B cross C is this minus I cat minus 4j cat minus 7k cat. So students, this is minus 3 I dot I 1. So j का j से करेंगे then this will dot product is minus 16 and minus 5 into minus 7 is 35, positive 35. So this will give 35 minus 17 16. So this is 16. So from first the equation of plane is equation of plane from first is so required equation of plane from equation number first is R dot B cross C is equal to A dot B cross C. So students, R dot B cross C. So R dot B cross C, R dot B cross C, what is B cross C? B cross C is this minus I cat minus 4 j cat minus 7 k. Now A dot B cross C is 16. So this is the vector equation of a plane passing through this vector, this point, and parallel to two vectors this. Now students, you can change Cartesian form from direct here. So Cartesian form में कैसे कर सकते हैं? वेक्टर फॉर्म से Cartesian form, तो इसका Cartesian form क्या हो जाएगा? Cartesian. You all know R vector is what is R vector? R vector is यहाँ पर R vector किस तरह क्या कर देंगे? xi plus yj plus zk. Dot minus I cat minus 4j cat minus 7k. So to 16. Now students, dot product करेंगे I dot I is 1, so minus x. This is plus y minus 4y, and this is minus 7j. Is equal to 16. So transfer करेंगे students, x plus 4y plus 7z plus 16 is equal to 0. So students, this is the equation of plane in Cartesian form, which passes through this point and parallel to this. So students, इस एग्जांपल से मैंने दोनों टाइप्स आपको बता दिए कि कैसे आप वेक्टर फॉर्म में निकाल सकते हो, कैसे वेक्टर फॉर्म से कार्टेशियन फॉर्मूले को कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. So this is also very most important formula. Passing through equation of plane passes through a vector or a point vector A and parallel to two vectors, vector B and vector C. Now students, take another example. This is also very most important example. Find the equation of a plane which passes through 3 points, this and this. So students, I solve this problem by two methods. It is first in Cartesian form and other is normal form. That is, इसको मैं two methods से आपको solve करने की कोशिश करूँगा. So first is first method, equation of a plane passes through 3 points is given by x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y2, z2 minus z1, and x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. So student, this is the equation of plane passes through 3 points, x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, and x3 y3 z1. Here x1 y1 z1 is this, x2 y2 z2 is this, x3 y3 z1 is this. So here x1 comma y1 comma z1 you can take 2 1 0, 2 comma 1 comma 0, x2 comma y2 comma z2 is you can take 3 comma minus 2 comma minus 2, and x3 comma y3 comma z3 is equal to 3 1 7. Now I write all the values here, so we get, so x minus what is x1? x1 is 2, y minus y1 is 1, and z minus 0. x2 minus x1, so x2 minus x1 means 3 minus 2, y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 1, z2 minus z1 minus 2, so minus 0. And what is x3 minus x1? 3 minus 2 and 1 minus 1 and 7 minus 0 is equal to 0. So students solve this. X minus 2, y minus 1, z. This is 1, this is minus 3, this is minus 2, and this is 1, this is 0, and this is 7 is equal to 0. So students, this is the equation of now. Expanding or expanding, we will get the required results. So after from solved students, expand is take x minus 2, expand according to our so take x minus 2, then this will and this will cancel out. So minus 21 and minus 0. Then watch, then take this is minus y minus 1. This will cancel out, this will cancel out. So this is, we can say it is 1 into 7, 7 minus 1 into minus 2. So 1 into minus 2, this is first plus 2. Then take plus z. So plus z you can take and this will cancel out. So 0 plus 3. So 0 plus 3 equal to 0. So students, what do we get? So this is minus 21x minus plus 42. And this is 9 minus 9y. And this is plus 9 and plus 3z is equal to 0. So here transfer 21x plus 9y minus 3z is equal to 42 plus 9 is equal to 51. Divide by 3, we get 7x plus 3y minus z is equal to 3 ones are 3 and 3 7 are. This is the equation of plane passing through given 3 points, students. So this is the equation of plane passing through 3 given points. In vector form, you can also in vector form this. So vector form में कैसे इसको लिख सकते हैं students? This is written as xi plus yj plus zk dot 7i plus 3j minus k is equal to 7. So this will be written as r. So r dot 7i plus 3j minus k is equal to 7. So students, you can easily convert the Cartesian form to vector form and from vector form to Cartesian form. So this is the equation, vector equation of Cartesian equation of a plane passing through 3 given points. Now there is another method for this problem. So what is the method? The second method, students, this is points are given. So students, what is points? So points are 2, 1, 0, 3 minus 2 and minus 2, and last point is 3 comma 2 comma 0, 3 comma 2 comma 3 comma 1 comma 7, 3 comma 1 comma 7. So second method, what is second method for? Second method is the students, the general equation of plane. The general equation of plane passing through x1 comma y1 comma z1 is ax minus x1 plus by minus y1 plus cz minus z1 is equal to c. Now students, it passes through this point 2 comma 1, since it passes 2 comma 1 comma 0. So apply here first. So from first, this is required equation of plane. This is the original equation of plane we want to find. So from first, a into x minus 2 plus b into y minus 1 plus c into z minus 0 is equal to 0. तो यही हमारे आपके रिक्वायर्ड प्लेन की इक्वेशन है. अब यही प्लेन इससे पास हो रहा है, इससे भी पास हो रहा है. सिंस this plane 2 also passes passes where ABC are the direct ratios of a normal of plane. So also passes points 3, -2, 3, -2, -2 and 3, 1, 7. So apply here students A. This is here we put 3, so 3 -2, then B -2 -1, then C, and here is -2 -0 is equal to 0. This gives A -3B -2C is equal to 0. Equation number 3. Similarly, it also passes this point 3, 1, 7, 100 plus 3. So यहाँ पर 3 अप्लाई करेंगे students, ये वाला point अप्लाई करेंगे इसमें, तो we get A. Then here 1 -1, this is 0 into B, and here 7. यहाँ पर बच्चों 7 अप्लाई कर देंगे, यहाँ पर 7 अप्लाई कर देंगे, 7 माइनस this is 7, C is equal to 0. Now students, now from here third and fourth we write cross multiplication method. You find ABC. So solve question third and fourth. Solve question third and fourth by cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. So cross multiplication से solve करेंगे. Multiplication. यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से सॉल्व करके हम लोग रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन हमने फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। देखिए a minus 3b minus 2c equal to 0 and a plus 0b plus 7c plus 7c equal to 0. तो यहाँ पर a लेंगे, a के नीचे ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स। ये पर -3 0 and -2c and b लेंगे जब c लेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, c के साथ ये हो जाएगा -3c. Now students, a upon this into this 7. So students, -21 -0 b upon this into this -2 -7 c upon 1 -3 0 minus plus 3 is equal to a equal to lambda. So a equal to -21 lambda, b is equal to -9 lambda, and c is equal to 3. So students, apply the value of put the value of a, b, c in second bracket required equation of plane. So students, this is another method. ABC की जो ये वैल्यूज है, ये आप अपनी डायरेक्शन रेशियो जिसके प्रोपोर्शनल होगा, ये हमारे पास ABC की वैल्यू और यहाँ पुट कर देंगे इस लाइन में, यहाँ पर ABC की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे तो आपको जो है इक्वेशन प्लेन की फाइंड आउट हो जाएगी. So students, this is another method to finding equation of plane passing through 3 points. Now students, move on to another example. Find the vector equation of a plane passing through a point having position vector 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap and perpendicular to the vector 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap and reduce it to the Cartesian. So students, एक हमें प्लेन की इक्वेशन ऐसे निकालनी है जो कि इस पॉइंट से पास हो रहा हो, हैविंग पोजीशन वेक्टर दिस, इस पोजीशन वेक्टर या इस पॉइंट से पास हो रहा हो या इस वेक्टर से पास हो रहा हो और परपेंडिकुलर इस वेक्टर के. So students, equation of plane passing through or passes through vector A and perpendicular to vector n is r dot n vector is equal to vector A dot n vector. So this is the required equation of plane. Now here passes through this vector is 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap and vector B, vector n is this, is 2i cap minus j j cap plus 2k. This is a vector equation. This vector form है vector equation. So from first r dot n is this 2I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap is equal to a dot n. Vector a dot vector n. So this is vector a 2I cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap dot n is this 2I cap minus j cap plus 2k. Now students, dot product is 2 to the 4, that is 3 minus 3 and minus 4 and positive 2, this is minus k. So this will give us 4 minus 11, this is minus 7. So this is r dot 2I minus j plus 2k is equal to minus 7. This is required expression of plane in vector form. ये plane की equation vector form में आ गई, vector form. अब इसको अगर कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में अगर उनको रिड्यूस करना है, so in कार्टेशियन फॉर्म स्टूडेंट्स, so from here कार्टेशियन फॉर्म हम चेंज कर सकते हैं इसको, कार्टेशियन फॉर्म for Cartesian, put vector r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. यहाँ पर पुट कर देंगे तो स्टूडेंट्स क्या हो जाएगा, हेंस इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap dot 2I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap is equal to minus 7. So we get 2x, product करेंगे स्टूडेंट इसका स्केलर प्रोडक्ट करेंगे then 2x, then j is corresponding minus y, then z plus 2z. You can here minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. So student, this is the required equation of plane which passes through this point and perpendicular to this vector. So student, this is the method of both the vector and Cartesian form. Now students, another most important example. Find the equation of a plane passing through the point this and perpendicular to the plane 3x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 1 and 5x minus 4y plus z equal to 5. So students, let our required equation of plane is A passes through minus 1 comma 2 is A x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 plus c z minus z is equal to 0. Here x1 minus z1 is minus 1 2. So this is a x plus 1 plus b y plus 1 plus c z minus 2 c z minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of plane where a comma b and c are the direction ratios of normal to the plane, normal of plane first. तो बच्चों ये रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन होगी प्लेन की जो इस पॉइंट से पास होगा where ABC are the bases of given plane, required plane, and this plane is perpendicular to this given plane. Since plane first is perpendicular
two plane 3x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 1. So normals of this plane is also perpendicular. So hence अब यहाँ पर जो ये प्लेन इस प्लेन के परपेंडिकुलर है, तो इसके जो नॉर्मल है वो हमारे पास ai plus bj plus ck और इसका जो नॉर्मल है वो 3i plus 2j minus 3k। तो इसके जो नॉर्मल्स हैं और इसके जो नॉर्मल होगा परपेंडिकुलर, अगर प्लेन परपेंडिकुलर तो उनके जो नॉर्मल होगा तो परपेंडिकुलर होगा। और परपेंडिकुलर कंडीशन क्या होती है कि a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0। अब इसके जो नॉर्मल है, इसका नॉर्मल है a in a1 and a not a2 and 3, then a into 3 plus b into 2 plus c1 c into minus 3 is equal to 0. This means 3a plus 2b minus 3c equal to 0. Question number second. Similarly, this plane, this required plane is also perpendicular to this. Similarly, required plane first is also perpendicular to 5x minus 4y plus z is equal to 5. So we can write 5 into a. So 5 into a minus 4 into b plus 1 into c is equal to 0. That is 5a minus 4b plus c is equal to 0. Question number 3. Now students, solve these two equation number second लिखा है find abc. जब स्टूडेंट्स abc की वैल्यू फाइंड हो जाएगी और फिर लास्ट में यहां पर वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे तो वही रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन होगी प्लेन. सो नाउ सॉल्व equation number first. Solve third and fourth by cross multiplication. So students, हम यहाँ पर जो थर्ड है हमारे जो सेकेंड एंड थर्ड by cross multiplication. तो सेकेंड इक्वेशन इज 3a plus 2b minus 3c is equal to 0, and here is 5a minus 4b plus c is equal to 0. Now students, cross multiplication से इसको सॉल्व करते हैं students. Then a, so a यहाँ पर आता है a, b and c you can write. And now position is what is position? I have already told you that when we take a, then this will, इसको आप छुपा लेंगे students. Then here is coefficient of b is 2 minus 4 and also write coefficient of c minus 3 1. Now when you take b with coefficient of c, you can write only not repeating. So minus 3 1 यहाँ लिखा हुआ है. So coefficient of this 3 5 and then lastly you repeat this 2 and minus 4. So this is the procedure of finding. तो अब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करेंगे? जब आप a b c यहाँ पर राइट डाउन कर लेंगे और फिर जब a को हम लोग ने a को अगर लेते हैं तो a का ये हम लोग छुपा लेंगे और जो कोएफिशिएंट b और c के होंगे वो राइट करेंगे. इसके बाद b लेंगे तो फिर c का और a का कोएफिशिएंट लेंगे. c का हम लिख चुके हैं तो इसमें रिपीट नहीं करेंगे डायरेक्टली. रिपीट नहीं होगा मतलब ऑर्डर एक साथ रिपीट नहीं होगा. अगर माइनस 3 को लिखा ध्यान की जरूरत नहीं है, फिर इसको रिपीट होगा तो लास्ट में फिर ये पहला वाला. नाउ यू कैन टेक a upon this into this minus this into this. So 2 into 1 2 minus this into this 12 is equal to b upon this into this minus 15 minus 3 is equal to c upon this into this minus 12 minus 10 equal to lambda. So b minus 10 is equal to b upon minus 18 is equal to c upon minus 22 is equal to lambda. तो यहाँ पर minus 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. Then a upon 5 is equal to b upon 9 is equal to c upon 11 to lambda. So a is equal to 5 lambda, b is equal to 9 lambda, and c is equal to 11 lambda. So this is the value of ABC. Put this value of ABC in equation number first. So Put the value of A, B, C. So put the value of A, B, C in equation number first. So put the value of A, B, C in equation number first. Then required equation of plane. Required equation of plane. What is equation number first? Ax plus 1 plus by plus 1 plus c z minus 2. यहाँ से रख देंगे x plus 1 x minus x1 z minus 1 this is z plus 1 is equal to c. Now what is value of a की value कितनी स्टूडेंट्स? a value is 5 delta x plus 1 plus 9 lambda y plus 1 value of b is 9 lambda c की value 11 lambda and z minus 2 is equal to 0. So यहाँ पर से बच्चों लैम्डा कॉमन ले लेंगे, लैम्डा में कैंसिल आउट, then 5x plus 5 plus 9y plus 9 plus 11z minus 22 is equal to 0. So 5x plus 9y plus 11z and minus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of plane in Cartesian form. वेक्टर फॉर्म में अगर आपको राइट करना है तो वेक्टर फॉर्म में आप यहाँ से लास्ट में राइट डाउन कर सकते हैं. तो वेक्टर फॉर्म में आपको लिखना है इसको, तो यहाँ पर आप लिख सकते हैं इसको xi plus yj plus zk dot 5i plus 9j 5i cap plus 9j cap plus 11k cap minus 8 is equal to 0. So you can write 5 this is xi plus yj plus zk is you can write vector r dot 5i plus 9j plus 11k is minus r is equal to 0. So this is the vector equation of plane passing through this point and perpendicular to these two planes. Now students, this question also comes in the form of vector. इसको आप वेक्टर फॉर्म में भी इसको बच्चों ये एग्जाम में पूछा जा सकता है. इसको और करके ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, फाइंड अ इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन. इसी प्रॉब्लम को आपको अगर वेक्टर फॉर्म में ऐसे जो है पूछ सकता है स्टूडेंट्स, फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन पासिंग थ्रू minus I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap and perpendicular to the planes, perpendicular to planes, vector r dot n1 is 3i plus 2j minus 3k is equal to 1 and r dot 5i minus 4j plus k is equal to 5. क्योंकि कभी भी किसी प्लेन के कार्टेशियन फॉर्म को हम वेक्टर फॉर्म में इस फॉर्म से यही क्वेश्चन इस फॉर्म में पूछा सकता है. तो आप कौन सा तो इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन क्या होगी, यहाँ पे वेक्टर के कितना होगा, वैसे आप जिसे पास हो रहा है माइनस आई माइनस जे प्लस 2k और वो प्लेन इन दोनों प्लेनों के परपेंडिकुलर है, तो इसका जो नॉर्मल है वो n1 है. n1 is equal to 3i plus 2j minus 3k and n2 is 5i minus 4j plus k. तो वो जो प्लेन है वो इन दोनों प्लेनों के परपेंडिकुलर होगा, इसका मतलब इन नॉर्मल के परपेंडिकुलर होगा. तो नॉर्मल ऑप्शन परपेंडिकुलर होगा. सो हेंस रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन, रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन is r dot n1 cross n2 is equal to a dot n1 cross n. So this is and find out students n1 cross n2 very easily you can find and put here these values, then you will get the required this answer. So students, this is the procedure how to find the equation of plane passing through a given point and perpendicular to given planes. So students, thank you for today's video.